You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone, but happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah. Only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Batman's girl, yes. Batman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Batman's girl, Batman's girl, Batman's girl. Her friends, her family prays for her daily.
How you doing?
I'm good, just come off the road.
You look tired, what can I get you?
Campari and soda. Alright, come with it. So you good?
Yeah, man. Can I come with you? You good?
Say eat already?
You don't see the food on the car?
No man, I can probably blow me off the other way now.
Stop it now, sure. You want to lay down? Put this somewhere over there, man.
Afraid I...
No, I'm not afraid of it, but I tell us so you need to watch what you do. Come. I'm gonna make you some, I'm gonna set your water, alright? You want me to turn it on?
Oh, you for turn me on.
But soon come, I gotta check the meat on the fire. They're too rude sometimes.
things that get sticky in the street, you know. And you know, your safety is my #1 priority because it's precious to me. And people know say me and you. You understand? People know say I'm me and you. And I have to look out for you. When I'm there around you, I don't see street not upon my mind, I feel comfortable. You understand? But I just want to ensure say you remember the code. So you remember the code?
Yeah.
So if I call the phone and say, honey, where you supposed to go?
Grab the gun and come to the front of the door, come and know so I have to kill somebody.
And if I say, babe?
Answer in a male voice and say it's a wrong number.
What's the male voice? You see you, what if I call the first name, what if you do?
Pack up my things and go my people them come and know it's the trouble they there.
You're smart. And if I say hello?
Means I can talk freely. It's all good, man.
Or yourself, man, I have something for you to speak freely, pan.
You speaking my language now. Because you know I've been home all day. Yes, so don't worry yourself, man, because you know I got you covered. You know,
Alright, so,
I'm your OG.
well, you remember now. There are some things that come up where I want to lay low for a bit. Alright? Big money a drop, man. So don't worry yourself. When you drop, I'll take you out of this place to get a nice apartment. Upper Jackson, upper phone. Upper Jackson. You understand? Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, it's all good. So stop it now, sure. You love play, and all the time we need to play. Because this sounds like a serious matter we are dealing with right now. So you sure so everything all good because my day here so with the here in the apartment and I hold everything down and everything nice and so on. The only time we have one little friend come link me, my one little girlfriend we know already, and we go out and go have a drink and so on. Make sure everything will go alright. Make sure.
Don't worry yourself, man. You're good, man. I got you covered. Here?
Okay. I'm going to share dinner now so you can eat, bathe and go touch the road.
How we are look for so?
Me?
Yeah. Are you me a chat to? Where you trying to look for me so far? A long time man see one joke in here, you know.
Why?
Why?
Me know you?
You don't have to know me.
So me just a come from church and they pass by. Me not even this to say a pass. And you
never-
stop me and they tell me say you want to for me eye. So what me do to you?
I see all you. You're going like you're a Christian. Me know you're a bad girl in the back in the days, you know. Don't look for me so. And one thing, give me the bag here. Take off your bag, give me. Give me the bag here, man. Do road. Do road.
Hello? Yeah, Faith?
Yeah, man. Michelle, imagine me I come from church and this girl just walk up and a bad me up and take away all my handbag.
What is it?
Yeah, she gone with it. Me no know her from nowhere. She just walk up to me and talk to me one kind of way. And tell me if give her my bag. She'll kick me too. Me give her it. Never see her before, but if me see her again, me know see her she. Cause me make sure I mark her face good.
No, man, this I get serious. Look, where you at?
Why you come and me get to talk to you? Cause you don't want me bag.
Me I put on my clothes. Me I go put on my, not even go change my clothes. Me I come right now. Right now, me I come.
Alright.
Evening, where's that?
Michelle, you know say at church me they come from, as me tell you before. This girl just walk up and insult me and take away me good handbag when me I walk with, you know. For no reason. Me no know her from nowhere. I swear me never see her before.
I did that girl, they go dead.
No.
No, I did she go dead. I did she for dead. Me tired for you make people a walk over, you know. Your footstool, your doormat.
Michelle, I call you to tell you because me your friend. Me no want you call your bad man and tell him me no cause me know how he stay, you know. Do not tell him. And you see the violence, I want you come out of it. Me no want you stay in the violence. Cause it no nice. Me no want nobody do you nothing and me no want you go to jail. Much less worse at in prison. So just cool out the violence. You know say you can come to church with me on Sunday night?
Me? No worry about me, alright. You don't have to worry about me. Me well governed, me well protected. Me can fight my battles myself. I don't need to go to church. Church can't save me at the end of the day. That the girl there, me have to do something to her. Just watch. You have to talk about.
Michelle, a long time me know you. And me know say me a the bad girl, but me no bad like you. I try to change my life right now. That's why me gone in a church.
Yeah, you can change your life. Me young, me have time to change my life. You don't worry about that. But as for that girl there, me gonna mash her up.
I call you just to talk to you. Me not really want no bad vibes. But me just show you what go down tonight with me. You understand? But anyway, come on.
Yeah, come carry her home because me not. How much I fuck? What's she there? What's your name? Where she come from?
Me no know what she name. But you see the street where me did upon when me come from church? She go so and me come so. You understand? So I me no know her neither, but me, anyway me see her, me can show you her. But to the way you behave, me no want to show you her.
No, can't show me.
Come on, cause you look like all
I just want to see
rain.
and talk to her. I just want to see her and talk to her.
Hello?
Hello, babe. You alright?
Yeah.
Quick question. Where did you leave the tools?
I mean,
Because I was cleaning today and I didn't see it in the usual spot. So, I'm saying, where could it be? Because, you can't take no check these days and so on.
you know see it in the dresser? You look underneath the drawer, the second drawer.
Alright. So if I don't see it there, I should check the drawer. In the top left-hand corner? Alright, no problem. No man, I'm just checking up on it. Make sure you're okay, alright? Watch your back. I love you too. Alright. Okay, babe, never mind. No, yeah, don't worry about that. Oh.
Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Batman's girl. Batman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Batman's girl, Batman's girl, Batman's girl. Her friends, her family prays for her daily.
I don't catch the girl.
Brittany, me no beg you for no go. Me just want to show you say she take with my bag.
So me not for defend it? You can't stay there make people walk over you. Me now go alive. As long as me alive, you now go walk over you.
Brittany, make she go on. Number that when you see her again, number that we did argument and no war with her. You know to say she a coward. Come on, if she did brave, she'd have stand up and fight you. But me know you can beat her. Come on.
Curse are the peacemakers because them are go dead early.
Brittany, you pray for me, Dad?
Then I go. Me angry. I'm gonna catch her.
Make a girl go on about her.
You can't make she go on. You know what? Me I'll make she go on. Come.
Young boss, you doing good?
Brother, you sneak up on us.
No boss, you don't know it's a fair thing this time. You can sit down?
So, man.
No fires that come from bossy.
Jano, respect, man. Respect. Everything good?
Yeah man, your boss is street love you, you know. I tell you, the street still have your name and say you're the baddest thing right now. Nobody can really say, you know what I mean, you know, no disrespectful thing, cause you're the man. You know what I mean? I mean, you know, I'm on now, so I still have my little job, cause that a farm I come from, you know, and you know, few little thing that, you know what I mean, someone test it and you know, just involved in the business. See?
Don't worry, son, man. Everything good, man. I'm gonna say I'm me go on the streets.
That me as a father.
You see me? You're good, man. Keep your fist, man.
Alright, boss.
Hello?
You don't know what happened to me a while ago. Now one brown girl and one rasta lady a run me down. For me don't know about.
Hold on. Two girls are running down.
You know, say I want to help me with the situation and because I have an idea which part the rasta lady live, you know. Yeah, me I go get 2 pictures and send you it, make you see.
Alright, here what you do. Send me a picture of the person. Right now, because I don't want a girl or boy feel like they can ramp with you. You see me? Right, mama, right now, because yo. Me get it done, man. Me get it done. Here? I'm call 2 niggas to send them over there right now, too. Because I'm in a joke. You hear me say?
Alright.
Yo. Yo. Let me please.
Yes, boss. So, boss, just checking weed and make sure everything alright. Yeah, boss. Respect.
Michelle, you know the church nice. You see how long me they invite you to come to church don't to enjoy the service.
It is nice, yes.
You can come back again, you know?
You come back.
Cause girl, when me go to church, me go figure worship God. I mean, know God go bless me with one good husband.
You have money already, so I don't need no blessing again.
Okay. Me?
You're here, right?
What you say? You don't need no blessing again?
No, I mean with man. Man me attack.
Me want blessing every day of my life.
No, I mean with man. Me and my man good, you know.
Okay.
Money around and everything. I like the lifestyle.
Michelle,
Mm-hmm.
yes, when me tell you say, see the girl that will take with me bag. Me not expect say I go run across the road, you know, suppose to did make something lick you.
Nothing not lick me. You know,
But-
so me get up. Nothing can do me. I'm well covered.
Guard up. Michelle, I wish God you are serve about your guard up.
The same one where you are served.
You not get no guard like that there in a church when me go. I got me go for go worship. Me no want you to dey in no bad company, you know. Me know you for a long time with the dirty ways them and walk and fight people. Me never tell you to go fight the girl. Me just show you her. The girl take me bag and run gone with it. Me just show you cause me your friend. Who the person who take me bag?
Exactly. So you a simpleton. So me and you are friends. So me have to defend you because you don't have nobody to defend you. When the girl did grab you, when God did they fi take back your bag from her?
No, do that. When you talk them kind of conversation, they don't involve God in it. Them the argument there. Make sure you're where they do when you call God name. You hear me? I say, you need, Michelle, me tell you over and over, you need to come to church often, you know, and get some prayer. Because what that you talk about and they call God name in it.
Well, see me come at church. You invite me at church this evening and me come. So
Yeah, but
stop
it don't
making
look like you
big fuss out
change
of it.
and you know different is the same person. When you go in a church, you're going there to change. Just so you're going so you come out back. If you stop the war thing, man.
Change come gradual.
If me did want to push this down further, you know, mother got police station go report the girl, you know, because she can't hide me, you know. Me see her face and me did mark her, although me never see her before. But when she take with me bag, me mark her face.
Police stop work. A jungle justice. A girl lick you not go lick her back, so me will lick her for you. Because you don't have no hand. Your hand did lip push part of regional where it banned.
It look like me have to go carry go to church morning, noon, and night if it's possible. Cause this a dope here, or demon or spirit, whatever they want call it in here, it look like he's stubborn bad. And it don't look like a no woman dope in here, one man dope in here, you need to come back to church.
I swear go. See, hello? Yeah man, come see. So babe just call me. I could just wrap up this and go home. Cause I can't do it in your church argument. I come today and I'll come tomorrow and come after that. Come.
You see, a lot of times we see happiness within the eyes of someone. But happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah. Only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. BADMAN'S girl, yes. BADMAN''s girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your